Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, September the 11th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we have a variety of things to talk about today, as we usually do. And we'll see if we get Walter to reveal what happened at his in-person sew day. It was a little different. Now, of course, we had a pop-up sew day on here with me, so we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about last week's craft and chat. We're going to look ahead to what's coming up, like the major Idiot Quilter retreat, some notes about that, and yeah, just a whole bunch of topics. And are you prepared for the fall and winter season? I know it is still the last days of summer, even though people are calling this the fall, but summer doesn't really start, or summer doesn't really end and fall begin until September the 21st. At least that's my story and I'm sticking to it. But are you ready? They're predicting this winter is going to be a tough one for diseases. So we might talk about how you protect yourself to the best of your ability against these seasonal diseases and other diseases as well. So that's all today, Sunday, September the 11th, 2022, starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you can join us for the conversation. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.